all done. Finally. Just got to put the edges on, that's all.
I love dice dreams. Stealing coins from your friends and family, destroying their castles. It's fun. Though I have to admit, when they take my coins right in front of my face, I can't get a little angry. But after some personal growth meditation, I realized why get angry when I can get even.